Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today we are continue our journey in the must-try AI tools in Canva. Here in a part 41, I will show you the Framespark, which is an application where we can create a frame from any transparent background image or element. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep getting content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. But first, as usual, we are going to the app marketplace in a Canva and check what the application said. So this is a Framespark, creates a frame from a transparent image. Creates a frame from image with transparent background, use the background remover, or upload use a transparent image. Click the convert to frame button to see the frame. So that sounds pretty easy. And the application was developed by the Lion Print Lab LLC. So they made a really nice job. Highly appreciated. That's a really good application and really useful. It's highly recommended. So, how does it works? Just open another page. So I go into the app section and just type for Framespark, and this is the application. The only thing what we need, select an image with transparent background. I just did it. And this edge detection, adjust how edges are detected. Higher values can resolve the sharper edges, so that we can increase or decrease the edge detection. I just leave it something like this and just click on this create a frame button, and as you can see, I just copy paste to here, and it works very nicely. And just add some transparent background and just looking for some image to add, like cupcakes, photos, and I would have some nice colorful like this. And as you can see, it really works well. But I wanted to try something else. Now I can going back to the white background, try to use this cupcake, removing the background. Yes, and now going back to the apps, Framespark, go into this and create a frame. And as you can see, that not only works with elements, it works also with images with really transparent background. So just going back to the elements, I don't know why it's jumping to the bottom always. I don't really understand time to time what's happened. Okay, going to here, looking this colorful image and just drop it and just increase the size a bit like this, and it's pretty nice. So this application works really well. As you can see, doing a pretty amazing job. We can create a frame from any object or anything what we can where we can really remove the background. So even from animals, cats, dogs, or even from a person, and it works very well. So now this tutorial is going to the end. Thanks for watching. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit that small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section if you're struggling anything in a Canva, and I try to answer as soon as possible. Please also visit my Facebook page. You can find a link in the description where you can find another great Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts. Plus, you can find a bunch of text to image or text to video prompts for different kind of AI applications. So if you are also interested in this area, please feel free to check my Facebook page. As I mentioned before, you can find a link in the description. In the description, you can find also my new Instagram and TikTok page where you can find lots of short tutorials. So please feel free to check them also. But now this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.